Welcome back to episode 4 of Intro to Python with Turtle Graphics. Let's learn more about for loops. Today we're going to draw this pattern, our speed to 0, I in range, and we're going to set the number of repeats to 100, add in circle, but instead of saying a radius, we're going to actually say circle I, because I is controlling something. Then we're going to type left 15, finish this off a print statement, which will print text into the output, the text output. This has been the visual output, but we also have a text output. So we're going to say print str parentheses I, and then we're going to say after the parentheses plus quote of 100ths. We create a pattern, and you'll notice in the output, we start at 0 of 100. There's currently no space between 0 and of. I can actually just hit space. That looks nice and clean. For I in range 100 is having Tracy count from 0 all the way up to 100, but it stops at 99. So Tracy starts at 0 and goes up by 1 every time, but it doesn't actually reach 100. It stops at the whole number closest to 100. So in this case is 99. If you include 0, that's actually 100 things. 1 plus 99 is 100. Inside of the loop, we have circle I. So the first circle that we're drawing is radius 0. A radius 0 circle we can't see. There's nothing there. And then it goes to 1 pixel, then 2 pixel, then 3 pixel, which is why it's really dense in the beginning, and the spiral goes out as we go. And then print, which is just printing out what value I currently is. So what exactly is 100 doing? Well, it's the end value, and we can put in 3 different values for the loop. We can put the start value, so currently it's starting at 0. We could put the end value, so it's going to end at 100, and we can say the step value. How much do we want it to go up by? So in this case, I'm going to say 1, and the entire program will run exactly the same, starting at 0 and going up to 100. If I change the start value to 1, well, we actually run only now 99 times. We do get to 99, but we started at a value of 1, not of 0, because we changed the start value. If I change the end value to 101, it will go up, starting at 1, all the way to 100. So we still have 100 values, but we just had the end value be 101 as opposed to 100. If we increase the step value to, let's say, 2, we're going to see something very different. We only drew half of the pattern. It went from 1 to 3 to 5 to 7 to 9, so it's going up by 2s. We could go up by 5s, less repeats would happen, so less of the spiral would actually happen. But we can control, using I as the variable, different aspects of the loop. This means that I is just counting from 0 to 99 in the original program, although we can do more things with I. If you guys enjoyed, please follow along for the journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video, I hope. Peace!